Hello everyone, I am Nagendra and welcome you back to my YouTube channel Pro to You Adda. Today we are going to watch how to install or download OpenOffice. In this video we will watching about this. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe the channel, and if you are old, then do watch the video. If you like it, then do like, share and share it with your friends. Now let's see how to download. Very first, you have to open any of the browser and type download OpenOffice. As soon as you will be preferring a link, just click on download Apache OpenOffice. OpenOffice is visible. Click over there. Then you will be getting a page where this type of page will be visible. Here you can see download full installation is visible. Beside that, you can see the language is also been shown. Hindi, English, whatever you want to select, it's up to you. But you have to click on download full installation. As soon as you will be clicking, it will take time for processing, and then you will be getting a message in a taskbar where you will be watching that the processing of downloading is started. If it starts automatically, then okay. Otherwise, you have to click again over there. Where you have to click? There, download full installation. If it starts automatically, then the taskbar will reflect you a message. You can see in the taskbar, here you can see Apache OpenOffice downloading procedure is going on. To check how much MB it consume or how much time it will take, just go and open downloads. How to open? You can go with a shortcut key also. Otherwise, at the very right side, a 3 dots is available. From there, you can directly go to the download. Otherwise, a shortcut Ctrl+J will let you open a download option where you can watch the downloading process and how much MB is left. You can see here 136 MB. It will take 136 MB of data, where it will take time. So I have processed the data, I have forwarded the data. Now you can see we are at the last phase where the download is about to complete. You can see 136 of 136 MB is written. That means we have downloaded 136 MB. Now for finalizing, it will take little bit minutes, or we can say it will take few seconds. After that, it will be visible there. How to know that our downloading is completed? Here 2 buttons are visible, pause and cancel. As soon as it will be downloaded, a button will be highlighted where it will be written that open folder, and as soon as it will be open, it will be shown. Then you have to click over there. You can see here written show in folder. Now we have to click over there, show in folder. When you will be clicking on this, what will happen? A folder where this file is being downloaded will be open, and that file which is being downloaded, that will be highlighted. You can see there it is highlighted Apache OpenOffice 4.1.8. 4.1.8 is a latest version of OpenOffice. Now double click over there. Whenever you will be double clicking over there, what will happen? It will pop up you a message like on this bar, where you have to click on next, and finally click on install. Whenever you will be clicking on install, see a green color bar is in processing mode. It will be processed. Now what to do? You have to wait for a while, and you have to watch that whether your system supports this file or not. If it will not support, then error message will be reflected. Otherwise, the processing will go through smoothly. You can see here the processing is going on, and we have not received any of the message. Means it will support in our system. It happens sometime that it will not support, then we have to prefer some other thing, but in most of the cases it will be supporting. Now see, you can see there the processing is going on. Now here the message box is coming. Click on next. Here you have to give the username and organization name. Whatever name you want to give, you can give. Key will not be preferable. You don't have to give a key. You don't have to purchase license for this. Give whatever name you want to. Beside there 2 options are given here, that only for me or for everyone. Click on everyone, then proceed for next, and then you can see the process is going on. A cancel button is highlighted. Don't press cancel button, otherwise the process will be terminated here. The process is going on. It will not take much of the time. OpenOffice. What we are installing? We are installing OpenOffice. As it is the part of class 11th and 12th IT, And even though in most of the cases, if you are not going to use Microsoft, then you can prefer OpenOffice, because whatever features are being used in Microsoft, the same we are using here also. Like Word, Excel, PowerPoint in Microsoft we have same here also. We can use Word, we can use Excel like sheets, and even though we can make our presentation here also. Number of tools are available in this OpenOffice also. Here in Microsoft you have to purchase license, but here we don't have to go for license version, because it is what OpenOffice means. The source code and the downloading, these all are free here. Okay, you can see there the processing is about to complete. What will happen after completing, where we have to click, it will take few more seconds. As you can see, that green color bar is going on. Okay, now let me tell you that why we prefer OpenOffice. Let me tell you, different versions of OpenOffice is available on server. Whatever version you want, you can download from there. Even though preferable languages are also available. While downloading, take care whatever option is highlighted, means if English is highlighted, then you will be downloading on English, otherwise you can change the language there also. If the process is being completed, then you have to watch where the file goes. Means while installing, I have selected that the shortcut will be available on desktop. As soon as this process will be completing, I will be showing you that directly the link will be available on your desktop, from where you can simply open OpenOffice. You can see here the process is just about to complete. Yeah, it's completed. Now you will be getting a finish option. Yeah, its finish is highlighted. Now click on finish. See, as soon as you will be clicking on finish, in desktop the shortcut will be available. I'm just going to minimize this window so I can show you where that shortcut is available. See, here OpenOffice 4.1.8 is visible. You have to click on that. As soon as you will be clicking, it is very first time you are opening OpenOffice, so it will take few seconds to load. I will be showing you how the window will look while it's opening. Here I am just customizing it. You can watch here. See, it will be looking like this, and as soon as this process will be completed, it will give you another window, and the window will look like this. I'm switching it here. Now you can see text document, spreadsheet, presentation, and these all options are available. Now whatever option you will be clicking, you will be getting a particular window for that. Now if you had not subscribed the channel, then once again I am just saying that to subscribe the channel for more updates, just press notification button. Do like, share the video if this video is fruitful for you. Thank you. Bye bye and Jai Hind.